My name is Unathi Nyoni, and I am a member of UNICEF's Adolescent Youth Advisory Committee, which is a group of young passionate advocates advising UNICEF on its programs. I also was the 30th child president of the Republic of Zimbabwe, and I have a recurring position in the Youth People's Network on Sexual Reproductive Health, HIV and AIDS as a national sector representative for youth and governance. So the purpose of the Adolescents and Youth Advisory Committee is stated in its name, which is to advise UNICEF on its programs. But not only advising in terms of just saying concepts, but also looking into editing of some questionnaires that are rendered to children. This goes to conscientizing on certain sensitivities that we as children think UNICEF as an organization should have when it's addressing certain issues. This goes to being involved in the programming and also the implementation of those programs by UNICEF and other organizations, yes. As a committee, in everything that we've participated in, we've always tried to exert ourselves to the greatest extent possible, which is to say that we always make meaningful contributions to make sure that we are looking into the details that have to be espoused. And after being active for last year for about 6 months or so, and having so many field visits and activities, we had the opportunity to present this to at the annual review meeting where we had UNICEF, we had other United Nations organs and the government of Zimbabwe. During that meeting, we challenged UNICEF on the fact that there was no particular programming that was specific to the issue of drug and substance abuse, which we then found problematic. And you find that now UNICEF as an organization has drug and substance abuse as one of its advocacy priorities, which goes to show you the impact that we've had as an adolescent and youth advisory committee. It goes to say that every decision that has to do with children should be informed by children, because there are certain things that as an adult you won't understand unless you are that child in that particular situation. As adolescents and young people, we appreciate the efforts that have been made by organizations and professionals in dealing with the issues that we face as young people. But then I think that it's very important, again, to have our perspective on those particular issues when you come up with the solutions, because you can not always be aware of the sensitivity that we have to certain issues, and therefore giving children and investing more as an organization or as a professional working in the field will then give you the opportunity to come up with solutions that actually address the needs and wants of the child.